Hi, my name is Sreeja Dasugari. I have master's degree in biomedical genetics from VIT Vellore. My career goal is to leverage my academic training and practical experience to contribute effectively as a bioinformatics professional. I am passionate about using bioinformatics techniques to solve complex biological problems and advance healthcare. I recently completed a course with Biotecnika where I gained extensive knowledge and hands on experience with various bioinformatics softwares and tools, including string Cleanva, drug discovery, etc. Biotecnika has been very helpful in my career journey. The training and the practical exposure I have received is significant. It helped in enhancing my skills and confidence. The support and guidance from the instructors has been invaluable, helping me to stay updated with latest advancements in the field of bioinformatics. This program helped me to prepare real world challenges. I am excited about the upcoming opportunities and looking forward to contribute my bioinformatics skills. Thank you so much.